Hey, my Pepper Posse. Here we go again. Same time today. I'm back at you. And the thunder and lightning is cracking. We had power outages yesterday around the neighborhood. We didn't lose power, but my neighbors did in the other properties. This is, well, it's so hot. I mean, extreme heat. And then, of course, in the tropics, when you get extreme heat, you get this. And we're getting it. Alright, well, the winds are picking up, boy. You can see those palm trees in the back. And this just started, so look at those swaying in the background. It's washing out my hole that I'm digging. I'll have to fix it. Alright, don't forget to play if you can. See ya!